Hi, my name is Irfan and in this video I am going to show you that how you can share your Scratch project on the Scratch website. First you have to go to the link of the Scratch, which is scratch.mit.edu. You can join Scratch if you are a new user. You can sign in if you already have an account. Right now I am going to join Scratch. So there are certain details which you have to fill in. Type your username. You can put whatever name you like. I'm going to say CEL_test. Then you can put down your password. Remember, the password should be such that you are able to remember it, and it should not be equal to your username. Click the country, from where you belong to. I'm going to click India right now and go ahead. You can select the date of your birth, month and the year. Then I'll click on next. Here you can put down your gender. Currently I'm going to say prefer not to say, and you can write down your email address, which will help you to log in into your account. Yeah, so just create your account and you are done. Get started. Meanwhile, you would have received an email from Scratch on your email address. Just click on it and click on confirm. Right now you would see that I have got my own account. On the top right hand side you will see CEL_test. Quickly I'm going to write down a very small program for the cat to say something when the green flag is clicked. Okay, my program is working. I will quickly give a name to this file, which is CEL_test, and now I'm going to click on share. So when you click on share, the whole project would be shared to the entire community of Scratch. I'm going to put down certain instructions about the project so it will help users to see. By the way, you can see there is a message of congratulations that your project is now shared with others. You can also give notes and credits if you want to give credits to someone else. You can copy the link of this project. You can see here is the link of the whole project. You can copy it and share it with anyone. So I'm going to copy this in the address bar, and yeah, so here is my project. So similarly you can share it with anyone. You can check out the codes by clicking on see inside. So this is one of the ways if you have used online version of the Scratch to share your project. In case you have used the offline version, you can go and create a new file and you can upload your project. Just load from the computer, and here is the project, and you can just click on share to share the project which you have created offline and you have brought it in the online version of Scratch. And yeah, so here you have shared the whole project. Again, you can give instructions, give credits, and you can copy the link. So yeah, this is how you can share your project with your friends, family, and everyone around the world. I hope you like this video and it will help you to share your creations with the world around. Thank you.